Birdy, get out of there. Alright, we're good to go. As long as I keep the camera on you boys only.
Alright, so what we going to do somewhere like...
There they are. A fine specimen of men they are.
Yeah. Are you going to walk along the side?
Yeah, yeah. Oh. No diving start, Birdy.
No, I'm not being rough. You can't wait for that. Tropical. Like the harbour.
Oh, hello.
Wow.
So is it a standing start or a diving start?
Standing.
Standing start.
Oh my. Oh no. Did you just do that?
Go on, Deering. Go on, Deering. It's time to get in.
Right. Going up the wind. Yeah, I've done it already.
Beep, 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 beep. Alright, ladies. Ross, get your head under. Vicky Dare, quick pre-race prediction. Who do you think's going to win this one?
Sampras is definitely going to win this one.
A definitive answer from our commentator. Go on, Deering. Back to start.
Right. Now, pedestrians are just an obstacle. Yeah. So, we use them as an excuse we lose, but they are an obstacle. Yeah, agreed. We certainly will. The number of people that come here. I still can't breathe. It's so cold.
Come on, Roscoe.
Can get to the front.
Oh. Here we go. Here we go.
Now, shall I go for two breaths or three? Yeah.
Am I starting you?
Sorry?
Am I starting you?
I don't know. When we go? Well, hang on. Where's this come from? I don't have any goggles. We can do it now.
Yeah. You go now, you'll be fine.
So we'll have to go on the water. You do the whole thing on the water, yeah? Oh, hang on. Ready?
Ready? New marks. Get set. Go. The confident even start by all. No one's taken the lead yet. As Brownie's just in front. Brownie, Deering, Birdy. Still Brownie doing Birdy. They're quite bunched. Deering needs to correct his lane. He's taken Brownie down a bit. They're all going a bit central. Brownie's definitely got the lead now. He's stretching it out. A good 2 lengths. Deering's starting to fade. Deering's only fading. Brownie's well out in front. Brownie can't be caught from here. Deering's definitely lagging. Oh, I have to zoom out. Brownie streaks ahead. Last charge, large push. Brownie's so far out, I have to catch him up. Deering's now out of picture. It's just Brownie and Birdy. There's nothing to it. Brownie streaks ahead. He's going to win by a country mile. It's not even close. And he's there. Destroyed them. Absolutely destroyed them. Birdy coming in. Birdy's going to get second. Birdy's got second, and Deering bringing up the rear where he likes it. Oh, well done, chaps.
Oh my God.
I'd like to say it was close, but that'd be a fucking lie.
Oh, that was good. Sampras just destroyed it.
Well done, Sampras.
Oh my God.
Comprehensive victory.
Oh my God. Yeah. Sampras should have been a bit closer. But I didn't know I was so losing it. I thought, he's behind me. I'm not going to come out. Oh my God. That was the warm-up.
Okay. Now for the real thing?
I was nowhere near you. Oh, that was good.
Well done, boys.
Oh, I'm actually warm now. Yeah, sure.
Oh dear. We'll put that on YouTube later on.